I was at Dairy Queen a couple of weeks ago and I wanted to try their pumpkin pie blizzard thanks to Kitty, but I came here at a different location on Broadview and they don't have it. They're sold out and the service person told me they're done for the season. So guess what, guys? I'm gonna be doing a double damn food review on their sauce and tossed honey barbecue chicken strip basket tonight. And James, you inspired this double damn food review in a compact box. The sauce and tossed honey barbecue chicken tenders, and you do get a choice of a side dip. Here I have the creamy garlic. Okay, let's open this box, guys. I'm unboxing the honey garlic. Oh, that looks nice. And this is my first time trying the Dairy Queen food menu. I generally only have their ice cream. Dairy Queen is known for its ice cream. The first Dairy Queen opened up in Canada back in 1953 in Saskatchewan. In front of me, guys, the chicken tenders are a bit smaller than I thought they would be. Only the poster shows them to be a lot larger, but they're definitely covered in honey barbecue sauce. They're smaller than I thought they would be. I'm gonna take a dip inside of the creamy garlic. I love my condiments, guys. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna use my hand. I was gonna use it. Let's see if I can use a fork. Okay, back to the fork, guys. There you go. Very tender. The breading of their chicken tenders here at Dairy Queen is really crispy, and the inside, the chicken is very tender. The garlic dipping sauce is just superb. And the honey barbecue sauce is really, I would say, more sweet. And they don't skimp on the sauce. It is very, very saucy. And then you got their fries, guys. Normally I like to layer some ketchup on these fries, but I'm just gonna have one without any condiment on it. No ketchup, no vinegar. Your average fry. Your average fry, guys. It's very warm, so that I am happy about. Happy, tastes good. So the fries are average, guys. Your average fry. Not too much salt, simple fry. Double damn on the chicken tenders. Even though they're not as big as I thought they would be, they are exceptional. Double damn guarantee on the honey barbecue sauce and tossed Dairy Queen chicken tenders. The fries are average. There you go, guys. You got the double damn guarantee on the chicken tenders here in Canada at Dairy Queen.